big events like remembering the first Easter Mass and the recalling of the first baptisms in celebration in Cebu are very public events, and it is, I think, so natural and elementary courtesy that we'll be inviting people. So, like what you said, I think it will come when it comes now. Now, for the Holy Father, you see, it goes this way, no? It is not just simply a straight invitation that parang one side, like we, that's type a letter, decide to write a letter to the Holy Father. It is done this way that we try to ask around whether it is really possible for his schedule. You see, his schedule is very tough, no? Very tight. So we sense that his schedule is so filled, so heavy, and having considered that he has already come to the Philippines, so we think it is not that charitable for us to really insist or write a direct invitation. However, surely we will formally communicate to him, informing him that we have such a beautiful celebration in the country, and saying that we would love to have your presence. But however, knowing your difficult schedule, your schedule, we would like to have your presence by having a papal legate that is normally done. So when you talk about that, whatever you call it, surely we will formally let him know that we have these celebrations. And also in a very courteous way saying that if you cannot come, you may do the usual way, appoint a papal legate to come to our celebration. It is like that. I hope I answered you. We will communicate, but in that way, formally informing him our activities, asking for his prayers. We wish that you could be with us, but if not, we would be so happy if you will appoint a papal legate.
Bishop, what